Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video, you'll learn to use pad and fillet. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will make the main body. So we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create this circle with 65 millimeters and this one with 45 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between the center of these two circles is 120 millimeters. So open the FreeCAD, go to create a sketch and select the front plane, select a circle, make a circle here with 65 millimeters and create another circle here with 45 millimeters of diameter. And go to dimensions. The distance between this circle and the center point is 120. Now we will create this arc here and this one. The both arc is tangent with the both circles, and this arc here has 150 millimeters of radius and this one has 100 millimeters of radius. So go to arc from 3 point, click here in this circle, click here in this circle, make an arc here and make an arc here. Go to constraints and select the tangent. Select this arc and this line, this arc and this circle here. Make the same for this one. And go to dimension. The radius here 150 and the radius here 100. And now go to trim and cut this circle here and cut this circle here. Now select these four arcs and go to offset. The offset here is 10 millimeters. So here we use minus 10 millimeters and press OK. And now go to trim, cut this arc here and cut here. We don't need to put dimensions here. So go leave the sketch. And the thickness of this body is 15 millimeters. So go to pad, the mode select symmetric, the length 15 millimeters and press OK. Now we will make some fillets in this body. We have a fillet here. The fillet is 2 millimeters of radius. I will make the fillet here now because if you make all this body and try to make the fillet later, we will get a lot of errors, okay? So go to fillet, select this edge here. The radius here is 2 millimeters. Select this edge. Select the edge here inside. Sometimes we need to remove arc and select this again. Look that here we don't have an arc fillet here, so we will select this. Now we have a fillet here, and here we don't have a fillet here, so we will remove this arc and select this arc again. Now we have a fillet here. The radius here is 2 millimeters and press OK. We made this. And now we will select the front plane again. Make this 2 cylinders here. And this side we have a circle with 45 and 20 millimeters. The distance 120. And here in this side, 2 circles with 65 and 30 millimeters of diameter. So go to create a sketch and select the front plane. And select a circle, make a circle here with 45 and create a circle here with 20 millimeters and go to dimension, the distance here 120. Select the toggle section view and create 2 circles here, 65 millimeters and 30 millimeters of diameter. And here, in this circle here, we needed to create this 3 line the distance between these two lines, 10 millimeters, and the distance between this line here and the midpoint, 20 millimeters. So go to polyline, make this sketch here, make sure that the line is vertical and horizontal, and go to horizontal vertical constraints, select this point here and this point here, and go to dimension, the distance here, 10 millimeters, and the distance between this line and the midpoint is 20 millimeters. And now go to trim, cut this arc here. We made this profile. Let me move the dimensions here a little bit. And we needed to extrude this 25 millimeters. So leave this sketch, go to pad, the mode, select symmetric, the length here 25, and press OK. Now we need to create a fillet in this edge here, so go to fillet, select this edge here, the radius here will be 2 millimeters, select this edge, the fillet here 2 millimeters, and go to fillet again. We will create the fillet here. We are creating 4 fillets at a time because if we try to create them all at once, the FreeCAD will give an error. And press OK. We made this. So here we finish our exercise. And now I'll show you something. If you save this file, exercise 26, and I will close this profile and I will open this again. Look this. The problem here is only the fillet. I will delete this fillet here and we will delete this fillet. Look at this. So we have some errors in the FreeCAD, but the guys is working it. And that's it. Here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.